So now we want to actually listen to an outbound call, right? We focused a lot of our time and energy on these calls with customers calling us, right? And the positive greeting. But let's talk about a call for a second where we had a call come in after hours. It actually was on the holiday, right? 4th of July was recent, so we were closed that day. And we wanted to give this customer a courtesy call back to see, hey, how can we help them out? So let's go ahead and listen to this call and break it down to the tiered system.
Hello.
Good morning. This is Michael from Techy, Wellington, returning a missed call. We were closed for the holiday yesterday.
Oh, okay. Is this the iPhone repair?
Yes,
store?
it is.
Okay, sorry. I've had a lot of tech issues lately, so I was like, which one is this? No.
Okay, so we're going to stop it right there for a second. We can see this was a very great greeting, right? Really came in, explained himself well, who it was. It was short, it was concise, it was simple. The customer easily identified who this was and the opportunity. Customer goes in and says, you're the iPhone repair store, right? Now let's pause for a second, okay? We do so much more than just iPhone repair. That was an opportunity for our team member to say, hey, look, we do so much more than that. We repair anything with the power button. What seems to be your issue today? Furthermore, the customer goes in to explain, I've had a lot of tech issues. Wait a second. I've had a lot of tech issues. What better place to call than Techy? We handle all things tech. You called the right place. What can I help you with? Is it a computer? Is it a tablet? Is it a phone? Guys, this is an opportunity to bundle in repairs. Get that customer in. Drive them through the door. Let's see what happens.
No worries. I shattered the back of my phone screen, or not my screen, but, the back of my phone.
Right.
And I was just wondering if you guys were able to fix that.
Yeah, which phone is it?
The 13 Pro.
Yeah, we can do that for you. It is a little pricier just because it's like a 4-hour repair, so we have to use the laser machine to remove the adhesive.
Oh, goodness.
It's $169.99.
Okay, gotcha.
Okay, here we are again, telling customers something is expensive because it's a risky repair. Guys, this cannot happen, right? This customer called us because we are the experts. We need to build in the confidence that they called the right place. We do this repair all the time. We have the proper tools to do it successfully. That's what that laser machine is for. The customer did not ask if this was a risky repair. The customer did not ask how long it was going to take. The customer did not even really ask the price, okay? But this team member gave all of that information up right out the gate, okay? There was so much value we could have built in the beginning of this call, trying to understand what all her technology issues were and that she called the right place. Then going into a rabbit hole, asking what type of device it was, rather than just building the confidence. We do that repair all the time. Are you looking to get that done today? That's all that should have been asked. And I guarantee you she would have been driven into the store. Let's see how this call actually ends up.
And it's 4 hours?
Yep, and we do have the parts in stock.
Okay. Just wondering, just like out of my own curiosity, because I called another place and they said it was only an hour. Is there a difference in like what they are going to put on the phone that like makes it better, or
it's probably a rushed repair, so the quality
Whoa, look what we're doing here. Look what mountain we have to climb now because we gave up the time it's going to take to do the repair. The customer did not ask how long the repair was going to take, at least not yet, but they said it was going to take over or around 4 hours. Okay, first of all, most back glass repairs, ones that I've been associated with, never take 4 hours, okay, ever, especially if you're using a laser machine, okay? We want the adhesive to set, but 4 hours, that is a very, very long time, okay, in any type of repair that we're doing. Okay, so right there, giving an estimated time of 4 hours to a customer, that could be seen as a very negative opportunity because that is a long time. 4 hours is basically half the workday. Okay. Secondly, when this customer goes into saying these opportunities, he doesn't build any value in why he called the right place. He doesn't talk about the lifetime warranty on parts if anything were to go wrong. The fact that there are no appointments needed, they can come in today, ask for me. There's all these different opportunities to build value outside of basically kind of bad-mouthing the competition, right? We never want to do that, right? This other facility, whatever they may be, gave in time of 1 hour. Instead of saying, I understand that this company feels like they can do it in 1 hour. I understand that, it takes me roughly around 4, nevertheless, guys, don't talk bad about your competition. Try to completely avoid that. But we created this opportunity. We created this mountain by telling this customer it's going to take 4 hours to do the repair. Now she's questioning that other company, and now she's actually questioning you. Because one company gives an hour, we give 4 hours. The first things that she's doing is she's questioning your competency on doing this repair successfully. Why is it taking you 3 times longer to do this repair than somebody else? Do you know what you're doing? That's the first thing that I would come to my mind. And that all stemmed from us telling them how long it was going to take. Guys, we did this to ourselves. This customer did not ask these questions. Okay? Let's look at how it finishes up.
Probably wouldn't be the best.
Okay, gotcha.
We it's usually about 2 hours. We like to quote the 4 just in case, because we like to make sure the adhesive set to the back doesn't fall off. We like to make sure it's flush and lined up right. That way you don't have any issues if you go to trade it in.
Okay, and then another thing, not just the back is shattered, but like the little glass piece where the camera is, not my camera, but that piece is also broken.
Not the lens on the camera, but the glass around it.
Correct.
Yeah, that comes with our back.
Awesome.
Some shops don't do that, but ours does.
Okay, cool. Okay, and do I need to make an appointment, or can I just come in?
Nope, you're good to come in whenever you'd like. I'm here. My name's Mike. I'm the manager. I'll be here till 5:30 today. I would recommend coming by before 3 o'clock so we can get that done for you today.
Okay, so the clock time's out there. He did finish the call rather well with building the relationship and telling him, hey, my name is Mike, I'm the manager, ask for me when you get here. He did give him a time frame or a window that would be best suited for them to come in and address that repair today so they can get the phone back to that customer today, okay? But nevertheless, guys, this call should have been much, much smoother. If they would have followed the tiered system when they gave that customer the call back, she explained, hey, I have an iPhone issue. Absolutely, we can get that done for you today. When are you looking to come in? That's all that should have been said. And we could have also said, and you also mentioned you had other technology needs. We fix anything with the power button. How else can I help you? You don't need to go anywhere else. We're a one-stop shop. That's why you do business with Techy. Thanks, guys. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can put any comments down in the message. We'd be happy to answer them. If you would like to do a role play yourselves or like for us to play out a scenario on Techy U, please let us know. You can reach us at Techy Company anytime. Thanks, guys.